seasoning is going to be pretty easy tonight. Just Montreal steak seasoning. And as usual, one side of the grill is hot, the other's cool, so I could work in between the two, get it just right. This grill works super good. I love it. I don't lose the steak. Little flare up. Took care of that. Put it over on the cold side of the grill for a while. It's getting close. Having a hot side and a cold side is the key to not burning your food, especially when you're grilling like this. Yeah, it's starting to feel medium rare. I'm gonna move it over to the cool side for just a minute. Give me a chance to finish my beer.